If you are hearing my voice right now, because clarity is a kind of fuel, purpose is a kind of strength, authenticity is a kind of power. The world tells you to shout your progress, but Musashi believed in moving silently, letting results speak in their own time, because growth is sacred and does not need applause. So today, as you hear these words, I want you to breathe slowly, deeply, as if you are returning to yourself after a long time away. You are not weak, you are not lost, you are not behind, you are simply reconnecting with the person you were always meant to become. And if these words at any moment have touched even a small part of you, then I want to say this gently, with gratitude. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Not for numbers, not for algorithm, but so that somewhere, some young person on the edge of giving up can hear this too. Your journey is not over. In truth, it is just beginning. Walk your path, not the fast path, not the loud path, but the true path. And remember this, a tired body can rest, but a tired spirit can be reborn. And today, maybe without realizing it, your rebirth has already begun. When you return to yourself, your energy will return with you.